In Scooby-Doo, which character is known for wearing an orange ascot? Shaggy, Velma, Fred, Daphne. The correct answer is Fred. What is another word for a detailed plan or schedule of travel? Guidebook, passport, itinerary, route. The correct answer is itinerary. What is the capital city of São Tomé and Príncipe, an island country in Central Africa? San Marino, Rimini, São Tomé, Belmopan. The correct answer is São Tomé. Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris is built in which architectural style? Baroque, Gothic, Renaissance, Romanesque. The correct answer is Gothic. Which planet has the longest day compared to its year? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Neptune. The correct answer is Venus. In the 1930s, the Australian military famously failed to eliminate which large, flightless bird? Ostrich, emu, cassowary, kiwi. The correct answer is emu. Which unit measures the amount of substance based on a large number of particles like atoms or molecules? Joule, mole, Pascal, volt. The correct answer is mole. In Herman Melville's novel Moby Dick, what kind of whale is the title character? Blue whale, humpback whale, sperm whale, killer whale. The correct answer is sperm whale. Which country is the historical birthplace of the automotive manufacturer Nissan? South Korea, Germany, Japan, China. The correct answer is Japan. What specific breed of dog is the famous cartoon character Scooby-Doo? English Mastiff, Great Dane, Boxer, Bloodhound. The correct answer is Great Dane. What type of meat is traditionally used in a shepherd's pie? Chicken, beef, lamb, pork. The correct answer is lamb. How many pairs of ribs does the average adult human have? 10, 12, 14, 16. The correct answer is 12. Septicemia is an infection of what? Bones, blood, skin, stomach lining. The correct answer is blood. Which organ stores bile? Liver, pancreas, gallbladder, kidneys. The correct answer is gallbladder. What is the Milky Way galaxy shaped like? A spiral, a ring, a sphere, a cluster? The correct answer is a spiral.